Ever wondered about the magic of Foxit eSign and Microsoft Teams? Seamlessly configure the integration, empowering users to effortlessly manage, track, and e-sign documents. Experience the productivity boost with Foxit eSign's collaboration features right within Microsoft Teams. Add signers, set authentication preferences, define fields and rules, all within Microsoft Teams. Initiate eSignature requests seamlessly. Contracts, agreements, or forms signed efficiently. Engage with our chat interface, get real-time updates, and instant support while working in Teams. Manage document preparation and sending with detailed audit trails and signing history, all within Microsoft Teams. Teams notifies you instantly when a document is signed or requires your attention. Customize documents effortlessly with Foxit eSign. Signature fields, text boxes, and more. Transform document collaboration across industries, healthcare, insurance, real estate, and more with Foxit eSign and Microsoft Teams. Elevate teamwork with Foxit eSign and Microsoft Teams. Visit foxit.com.